Introducing the first free sports bra pattern on the internet with cap options. This is the 28B standard sports bra PDF pattern preview, starting with the cover page, which also has a test square so you can confirm you've printed your pattern correctly. Let's move on to page 1, which has the center front cap patterns. We have two options here, one that will be cut for the zip and one fold option. On page 2 we have the decorative center front pieces, which are optional, one shoulder strap, another shoulder strap, as well as part of the adjustable Velcro strap option. Onto page 3 we have the right outer cap pattern, which also has a frame, and then on page 4 we have the zipper tab, and then the rest of the adjustable Velcro back shoulder strap, since it fits on 2 pages. On the last page we have the regular back band. Check out the pattern, it's absolutely free. It will be linked in the description box below. I'll also link the collection page in case 28B isn't your size. You can find your size in there, so you can sew yourself a sports bra before this summer. Come back tomorrow for the next pattern drop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!